एवीएम भाई
हाँ,
तुमने बोला एयर फिल्टर लगाओ गाड़ी में, परफॉर्मेंस बढ़ जाएगी, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं।
क्या बस एयर फिल्टर लगाया था तुमने?
हाँ
तुम्हारी गाड़ी तो चुद। You saw our previous video and would have probably upgraded to an air filter by now. Now in a performance air filter, the amount of air going inside the bike has increased. But what about the air that needs to go out? That's where a full system performance exhaust comes into play. In a full system exhaust, what happens is there is no restriction of airflow. There is no catalytic converter. From the headers all the way to the end can, there is no barrier blocking the flow of the air. In a exhaust manufactured by a famed company, could be AEW, could be Red Rooster, could be an Akrapovic, those companies have R&D centers. Those companies have a CFD engineer who looks into problems like back pressure. Now, as soon as you talk about back pressure, there's going to be one wise guy in the comments who's going to talk about back pressure. What is back pressure? Back pressure is basically the pressure that bounces back into the headers through the screws, the little nudges, the walls of the exhaust, or it could be weld points. The air going out from the header hits these barriers, bounces back inside. Our goal isn't to eliminate back pressure, but to play smartly around with it. When back pressure occurs over here in such an exhaust, a nicely designed exhaust, it is designed in such a way that the back pressure gets eliminated since the exhaust valves are now closed. Considering everything that we have talked so far, more sound does not equal to more performance. You could get sound out of a 1,000 rupee exhaust that you may find in offline merchant. It could be from Amazon, it could be from Flipkart, it could be from Alibaba, for what I care. But from everything that we have learned before, more sound does not equal to more performance.